In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a scroll bar animation in Figma using Smart Animate. Open your Figma project and start by setting up a simple scroll bar model. Create a frame that represents the viewport of your content. Inside that frame, draw a narrow rectangle for the scroll track and a smaller rectangle for the scroll thumb. Group your page content in a separate frame and place it beside or behind the track so it feels like a real scrollable area. If you're masking the content inside a viewport frame, make sure clip content is enabled so anything outside the viewport stays hidden. Keep your layers clearly named like track, thumb, and content because Smart Animate relies on matching names to tween smoothly. Once you're happy with the structure, select the entire scroll model and turn it into a component. This will make it easier to manage states and reuse the animation later. Give the component a clear name so you can find it quickly in the Assets panel. Add a variant to the component to create two states. Think of them as the top and bottom positions of your scroll. In the new variant, move the scroll thumb to the bottom of the track. Keep its size and layer name exactly the same as in the first state. Consistency here ensures Smart Animate understands what should move. In the other variant, adjust the content so it sits at the bottom of the viewport as if you've scrolled all the way down. If your content is in an inner frame, nudge it upward within the mask to reveal the lower portion. Again, don't rename layers or restructure the hierarchy. Matching structure is key for a clean animation. Switch to the Prototype tab and connect the first variant to the second using a change to interaction. Set the animation to Smart Animate, choose a smooth easing, like ease in and out, and set a short duration, around 300 to 500 milliseconds. Then connect the second variant back to the first with the same settings, so you can toggle between states. If the motion looks jumpy, double check that layer names and sizes match between variants. Because it's a component set, it will appear in your Assets panel automatically. You can now drag this animated scroll bar into any frame of your design. Finally, hit Present to preview. Interact with your prototype to see the thumb and content move in sync, creating a believable scroll effect. Tweak timing or easing until it feels natural. Congrats! You've built a clean scroll bar animation in Figma using Smart Animate.